Take your money for drinks. It's always hard.
Nope, have fun. Great, no problem. Go over there. You know, we were up yesterday's plane went up, came out of Calhoun and went along the ridge up by Dalton, got north of Dalton.
She's been doing good lately. She's been helping the neighbor with garage sale the last 3 days.
That's what I'm saying. There's so much of this stuff.
I want to get out.
Oh, we're supposed to wait?
Oh, yeah.
Let me go check the lineup.
Oh, thanks.
Are we supposed to put half of these in there, I guess?
Yeah, not in here yet. Keep thing, the other one goes
That's what, you know, that's what, cold here. Larry ain't cutting enough. Taking his particular one.
No one told me it was super cold.
He had it at the stand, I seen it.
I found it.
Oh, he got it. I accept.
On the ground up there.
Where he got his little paper.
Got me a water hot knee?
I made it for it. I had some wood at the house. The longerons and all the spars and turtleneck.
Oh, these?
Yeah.
Okay.
And the rest of all the wood except a little bit of balsa wood comes with cloth. Yeah.
Direction. That's downhill that way.
Pilot's Choice Awards. And we have 3 very nice plaques up here if you haven't seen them. And we'll give those out starting in 3rd place. 3rd place with the tie with his own timer.
Oh, man. All right. Oh, man.
Congratulations, Ty.
Hey. Thank you, buddy.
Where's our photographer?
Yeah, there you go. How about this? Yeah, thank y'all. Thank you. Woo!
Okay,
Thank you, Larry.
You spent a lot of money on it.
I
second
know,
place
that's
is a
right.
4-star, John Banner.
All right. There we go.
Yeah! And it's a kit.
It's a kit. Yeah, this is not an ARM.
Yes.
Spray the back of my neck with it.
Get
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, yeah.
bugs.
Get me in focus and Glenn out.
Thank you.
Oh, and stick around because they want pictures
Okay.
of us playing.
Yeah, don't.
Okay, first place. Larry lives with the cow.
Yes, sir! Yeah! Beautiful plane. Yeah!
Even got some grass on the spinner.
He ain't forgive me just yet, you know.